I love my family. They are what matters. They are everything. Some people bitch, some turn away. Last you motherfuckers disgrace home, a sacred place, tearing apart my family. What about us? What about us? What about us? What about us? Who can we trust? Who can we turn to? Give and take. Yeah, so what did you give to deserve to be family? Let go the fear you keep inside. Yeah, don't be afraid. Look at the strength to carry on, family.